श्रीराम समर्थ. श्रीराम. दशक पहिला स्तवनाचा. समास सहावा श्रोते जनस्तवन.
Dashak 1 Prayers, Chapter 6 In Praise of Listeners. Shri Ram.
आता वंदू श्रोते जन, भक्त ज्ञानी संत सज्जन, विरक्त योगी गुणसंपन्न, सत्यवादी.
Now I will bow to the listeners who are devotees, knowledgeable saints, and gentlemen. They are yogis, virtuous, and truthful in their speech.
एक सत्वाचे सागर, एक बुद्धीचे आगर, एक श्रोते वैरागर, नाना शब्द रत्नाचे.
Some of them are oceans of goodness, some of them are reservoirs of intellect, and some of them are mines of the jewels of words.
जे नाना अर्थामृताचे भोगते, जे प्रसंगी वक्तयाचे वक्ते, नाना संशयाते छेदिते, निश्चये पुरुष.
They are the enjoyers of the nectar of meaning, and when occasion arises, they become the speakers of the speakers. They are the men of decision who remove all doubts.
ज्यांची धारणा अपार, जे ईश्वराचे अवतार, नातरी प्रत्यक्ष सुरवर, बैसले जैसे.
Their capacity is limitless. In a way, they are incarnations of gods or appear to be gods gathered together.
की हे ऋषेश्वरांची मंडळी, शांत स्वरूप सत्वागळी, जयाचे नि सभा मंडळी, परमशोभा.
They are the congregation of seers, very peaceful and quite different in their essential nature. By them, the whole conference becomes glorified.
हृदयी वेदगर्भ विलसे, मुखी सरस्वती विळासे, साहित्य बोलता जैसे, भासती देवगुरु.
In their heart, the essence of Vedas is reigning. The goddess Saraswati resides on their tongue, and when they talk, they appear as if they are the guru of gods.
जे पवित्रपणे वैश्वानर, जे स्फूर्ती किरणाचे दिनकर, ज्ञातेपणे दृष्टी समोर, ब्रह्मांड नये.
They are as sacred as fire. They are the suns whose rays give inspiration. And when we consider their wisdom, the awareness of the universe is also not there.
जे अखंड सावधान, जयास त्रिकाळाचे ज्ञान, सर्व काळ निराभिमान, आत्मज्ञानी.
They are always alert. They know the past, present, and future. They have self-knowledge, and they are having no pride at any time.
ज्यांचे दृष्टी खालून गेले, ऐसे काहीच नाही उरले, पदार्थ मात्रासी लक्षिले, मने जयाच्या.
There is nothing in the world which is not seen by them. They have considered carefully everything in their mind.
जे जे काही आठवावे, ते ते तयास पूर्वीच ठावे, तेथे काय अनुवादावे, ज्ञातेपणे करूनी.
Whatever one remembers and tries to tell, they already know it. And therefore, what can be explained with the notion that one is wise?
परंतु हे गुणग्राहिक, म्हणून बोलतो निशंक, भाग्य पुरुष काये एक, सेवित नाही.
But they appreciate the good qualities, and therefore I do not hesitate to talk. Really noble people have place in their heart for everything.
सदा सेविती दिव्यान्ने, पालटा कारणे आवेट अन्ने, तैसीच माझी वचने, पराकृते.
They always enjoy the highest kind of food which is very tasty, and just to change the taste, sometimes eat ordinary food. My speech is like that. They will accept me very kindly.
आपुले शक्तीनुसार, भावे पूजावा परमेश्वर, परंतु पूजू नये हा विचार, कोठेच नाही.
It is said that one should worship God according to one's capacity, but it is not said anywhere that the God should not be worshipped at all.
तैसा मी एक वाग्दुर्बळ श्रोते परमेश्वरची केवळ यांची पूजा वाचा बर करू पाहे.
Thus, I am one who is very weak in speech, and the listeners are like gods. I am going to worship them in my poor language.
व्युत्पत्ती नाही, कळा नाही, चातुर्य नाही, प्रबंध नाही, भक्ती ज्ञान वैराग्य नाही, गौल्यता नाही वचनाची.
I do not know etymology. I do not know art. I am not clever. I do not know how to speak logically. I have no devotion, no knowledge, no desirelessness. I have no sweetness of words.
ऐसा माझा वाग्विलास म्हणून बोलतो सावकाश, भावाचा भोगता जगदीश म्हणूनिया.
So, such is the quality of my speech. And even then, I am speaking without hesitation because God regards the feeling behind my words.
तुम्ही श्रोते जगदीश मूर्ती, तेथे माझी विपत्ती किती, बुद्धिहीन अल्पमती सलगी करीतो.
You listeners are gods incarnate, and my knowledge of the language is very negligible. I am not intelligent and not very clever, but I entreat you.
समर्थाचा पुत्र मूर्ख जगी, परी सामर्थ्य असे त्याच्या अंगी, तुम्हा संतांचा सलगी म्हणून करीतो.
The son of a very powerful man may be a fool, but he has the backing of the father behind him, and so he is also considered powerful. I am becoming very familiar with you because I belong to you.
व्याघ्र सिंह भयानक, देखोनी भयचकित लोक, परी त्यांची पिली निशंक, तया पुढे खेळती.
The tigers and the lions are very fearful, and people are much afraid of them, but their own cubs fearlessly play in front of them.
तैसा मी संतांचा अंकित, तुम्हा संतांपाशी बोलत, तरी माझी चिंता तुमचे चित्त वाहेलच की.
Similarly, I am accepted by saints and I am talking to the saints only. So I am sure there is compassion for me in your hearts.
आपलेची बोले वाऊगे, त्याची संपादनी करणे लागे, परंतु काही सांगणे न लगे, न्यूनते पूर्ण करावे.
When our own person makes a mistake while talking, we have to cover it up. It is needless to say that you should connive at my faults and render complete whatever is incomplete.
हे तो प्रीतीचे लक्षण, स्वभावेची करी मन, तैसे तुम्ही संत सज्जन, माये बाप विश्वाचे.
The sign of love is that love is very natural for the heart, and you are the loving saints who are parents of the universe.
माझा आशय जाणोनी जीवे, आता उचित ते करावे, पुढे कथेसी अवधान द्यावे, म्हणे दासानुदास.
I, being the servant of your servant, request that knowing the meaning of what I say in your hearts, you may do what is right and pay attention to what I am going to tell.
इति श्री दासबोधे गुरु शिष्य संवादे श्रोते स्तवन नाम समास सहावा श्रीराम.
Thus, in the first dashak of Dasbodh, in the dialogue between Guru and disciple, this 6th chapter by name in praise of listeners is completed here. Shri Ram, Samartha Shri Ram.